Hi, and welcome back to Colorado AcuCare. I'm going to show you today some points that you can hold when you're feeling anxious or having trouble sleeping. These are wonderful, quieting, calming points that also settle the brain and help with just general soothing and smoothing out of the energy in the body. So the first point I'm going to show you, we're going to work from the top down. We're going to do a couple of points just above the eyebrow. This is called Clear Mind. And I know this looks a bit silly, but this is the way it is. And you just hold these points for about 3 minutes. And at the same time, you want to hold the back of that little ridge within the back of the brain. Those points just completely shift the chemistry of the brain and the wiring of the brain. So the points location, you want to use your thumb and your forefinger right in the middle of the brow line and then up about 1 inch. And hold those. You know, some people hold these when they have a headache. These work for headaches as well. But these are especially good for clearing the mind, quieting the mind, and quieting anxiety in the body. So again, holding those 2 points with just the back of the occiput, which is that little indent in the back of the brain, in the back of the skull, and hold and breathe for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel with those, holding those. And then as we move down the body, one of the most wonderful points on the body is something called the Sea of Tranquility. It's right in the center of the sternum. And you can hold this simultaneously with the other points that I've shown you called Heavenly Gate or Elegant Gate, Elegant Mansion. And these help to calm the heart, the Shen, and you can take a deep breath with these. And any combination of these, you can also hold those points up here with the Sea of Tranquility, the Clear Mind and Sea of Tranquility at the same time. And breathe. And then the last points that I love to hold, these are just called the inner and outer gate, but they're also in sort of layman's terms called the, you can see it's on about 3 finger widths from the wrist crease on the top and the bottom of the arm, inside the wrist crease and outside. And you just hold those. This will help with nausea, anxiety, motion sickness, any kind of feeling like you're out of your body or your emotional state is kind of beyond your control. And they actually make wristbands that hold these points, but I like to hold them when I go to the dentist. I can lie in the chair and hold these points and they don't even know what I'm doing. But it helps a lot when you're in situations where you feel a little bit out of control. And then lastly, we're going to come to the 2 points that I've shown before that are really nice on the, just at the head of the tibia, again, in medial to the center of the body. So you want to come in about 1 inch to the tip of the tibia and then come in about 1 inch. There's a little indentation there. These are the 3 mile points, but they're very grounding and you can really just rub those. You can even use the knuckles. And you can rub these for a long period of time. And this will ground you and make you feel more at ease as well. So I hope that helps. Quick review: Clear Mind, Heavenly Gate, Sea of Tranquility, Inner and Outer Gate, and 3 mile points. For anxiety, insomnia, general ill at ease. Hope that's helpful. Thank you. Blessings.